Okay, so the first part of hooking up your TS Husky to your trailer is get it hooked onto your ball and lock the ball into position. With your electric hitch, you're actually going to lift the trailer up. Lift the ball and lift the truck up with your electric hitch.
Like so. Okay. And is that ball coming off the top there?
Nope. I'm lifting my whole truck up with the hitch.
Oh, I see. Check it out, guys. It's coming off the... There we go.
Now, after you get it lift up a good portion, you're going to take your pry bar.
Pry bar?
Put it underneath here.
Oh, yeah.
Lift up.
Oh, my gosh. And I've been trying to do
lock
it
it
for
into
an hour.
place.
Okay, that's nice.
Step over.
Okay.
Take your other one. Put it underneath. Lock it in. Lift it up.
Oh my gosh.
And pop it into place. Now, lower the truck back down.
Here it goes, guys.
Okay.
He makes
now, to take it off, you're going to lift your truck back up.
This is Brian Mckenzie, best sales guy in Texas for Fun Town RV. This is where I purchased the RV. This is already the second time he's come out to help me. That's how awesome their service is, seriously.
You're going to take it, put it underneath here, lift it up, and set it right on top of those pins. Then you're going to take this hook here and pull it off.
Okay, I didn't want to scratch it like that, so I
it's going to get scratched.
It's going to get scratched. Okay.
So again, hook it underneath, lift it up, pop it into place.
Way to go. Good job. Okay. And that doesn't need to be open for the little ball and all that stuff? It's
Nope.
already on there, good.
It's already locked into place. You do want to get a locking pin for that,
Okay.
for highway travel.
Okay. Are these? There it is.